so welcome to JAKI's channel. And I'm going to show you several things that our interns doing during the internship, and hopefully it may help you to find out and know JAKI's more and better, of course. Okay, let's check it out. Bye bye. What do you think about internship in JAKI, and what are you doing now?
I'm making a report right now in my 4th week, and internship in JAKI is kind of fun, interesting,
Alright.
and adventurous.
Adventurous. Why? Why you think it's adventurous anyway?
Because of the tasks and the schedule, of course.
Do you have any, feedbacks to our internship?
It's actually about the schedule, about working hours. I think it's more flexible if we have a flexible time in working hours, like we can make it at home, something like
Okay.
at least we finish everything.
I see. So you're doing the target, even you're doing it in anywhere. So all right then, we're gonna take it for consideration. Okay, guys, we're moving to another intern, and don't miss it. Okay.
My name is Erika. I'm at the 5th semester of the Public Health Sciences and currently doing my task in the editing week. Well, it's not clear there, but I'm currently editing the words, the font, everything from the abstract to the structure of the text. I mean the manuscript. So yeah, reading all of it and then making sure that everything is according to the standards of.
What's the hardest point in your work?
Well, it's sometimes I don't understand even what the words are actually meaning for. So yeah, need a lot of work there, finding the definition and then the synonyms, because sometimes I don't even know what the better word should be used.
I see.
Of course, Miss Kaya always helping me here, going through
thank
revision
you.
and revision, but it's okay. It's still fun anyway, because I learn a lot, and seriously nowadays I don't have to even think to make abstracts, and I don't even have to search for this the manuscript structure. So it's really helping me on the college task.
So for the whole weeks that we have already passed through, what do you think about JAKI internship?
Well, maybe because I'm currently a bit late on my due date, but
That was that was it.
But overall, I think it is very useful and helpful for me as a college student, and I think that it's just worth it. Every struggle that I had is really a learning lesson.
Okay, what are you doing anyway?
Yeah, I'm editing in caption for infographics.
I see.
Yeah, just for this.
Okay, do you think it's fun?
Yeah, it's fun because I'm editing a picture, and then I'm not a creative person, but I'm so happy because I can study about it. Who is the next intern?